These herbal plants are considered tonic herbs, plants that you can take every day to boost your nutrition. They're like good food. Taken every day, they help supplement the diet with added vitamins and minerals. It's like taking a vitamin pill in a cup of tea. I've been talking about the nutritional value of these plants forever, but when I pass around this chart, it really helps. They say that you're not what you eat, but what your body can assimilate. I like to make a tea or an infusion of these plants. I think the body has an easier time of absorbing nutrients in a water-based preparation. Never underestimate herbal teas. They work wonders. You can use the herbs individually or combine them into a nutritional recipe. My favorite is this recipe that I've been making for over 30 years. It contains a combination of these plants. The first plant is nettles, of course. This is probably the most nutritious plant out there. I grow oats in my garden, I buy alfalfa, and collect nettles, horsetail, and dandelion from the wild. All these herbal plants are widely available in herb stores. Oats, besides containing so many vitamins and minerals, it also has a soothing quality. Alfalfa has a history of being a very nutritious plant. Horsetail is found all over the wild and contains silica, which is helpful for the skin and bones. Dandelion leaf contains vitamins and minerals, but is a diuretic type of plant, so I use a small amount in my recipe. I am making an herbal tea, which I will steep for 20 minutes or longer, so the nutrients are absorbed into the water. It is important to put a cover on to keep all the steam inside the container. If not, the volatile oils contained in the steam will evaporate in the air. This tea can be enjoyed hot or cold. A friend has served her family her version of this nutritional blend for years. She adds pomegranate juice along with several drops of orange oil. She keeps it in her refrigerator for her family to enjoy cold. Two plants that I like adding to my nutritional blend are red clover blossoms and tulsi, or holy basil, a plant from India. I started growing tulsi several years ago. It is a well-loved herbal tea. It works as an all-over tonic. If you grow one tonic plant, this should be the one. If you like a recipe, then you might consider making it up into a big blend. Here I'm making a larger amount of the nutritional blend so I don't have to haul out the jars every time to make a tea. Mint plants, peppermint, and spearmint blend well into many recipes. For a lemony flavor, try lemon balm or lemongrass. I love the tart taste and red color of hibiscus. Don't forget stevia, the sweet plant. When used in very small amounts, it can also add to a delicious tasting tea with just a hint of sweet.